Good morning, dear student. Myself is Deepti from Dip Scroll Bag, and in today's lecture, we are going to do History Chapter 13, National Movement 1885 A to 1918, important terms and the back exercise. So let's start. First important term is nationalism, means a feeling of pride about one's country. Now, second is Swaraj. Swaraj means self-government. Third is boycott. It means to refuse to use, associate, or a trade with. Fourth is home rule. Home rule means self rule, your independence. So now is the back exercise of this chapter. Say the answers. So first of all is there. Name a newspaper that helps spread nationalism in India. That one I have written two names. One is Kesari, and other one is the Hindu. Second is when was the Vernacular Press Act passed? It was passed in 1878. Third, what did the Arms Act of 1879 say? It restricted Indians from possessing arms. Fourth is who organized a Bombay Presidency Association in 1885? He was Firoz Shah Mehta. Fifth, name a moderate leader in of the Indian National Congress. Answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Sixth, which Governor General decided to divide Bengal? That was Lord Curzon. Seventh, when was Muslim League established? In 1906. Next is the MCQs. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in, answer is B, 1885. Second, he was a radical leader in an INC, means Indian National Congress. Answer is D, Bipin Chandrapal. Third, the decision of divide Bengal was taken in, answer is C, 1905. Fourth, who was the Viceroy of India in 1909? Answer is Lord Minto. Fifth, the moderate and the radicals decided to split in this session. Answer is correct. Answer is D, Kolkata or Calcutta. Sixth is the First World War was started in. Answer is 1914. Fill in the blanks are the dash put severe censorship on Indian Press Act. That was answer is Vernacular Press Act. Second, the first session of Indian National Congress was held in, answer is 1885. Third is after the partition of Bengal in 1905, a new provinces emerged in with dash as a capital. Answer is Dhaka. Fourth, in dash the Muslim League and Congress united in 1915. The Government of India Act 1909 is also known as Minto Marley reforms. The Anushilhan Samiti was found in 1902. Next is matching is there. The first is the British India Association. Answer is 1851. Second is the Bombay Association. Answer is 1852. Third is A.O. Hume, founder of Indian National Congress. Fourth is Annie Besant, Home Rule Movement. Fifth, Nawab Simullah. Answer is C, founded the Muslim League. These were the back exercise of this chapter. In tomorrow's lecture, we are going to do the shorter note of this chapter. Thank you very much.